Alright, so we continue with our streak on the various syndromes which we'll keep talking about. And the next syndrome we should be discussing is what is known as a SLY syndrome. SLY syndrome. So for the SLY syndrome, you could actually see the facial features and the gastrointestinal issues. Okay, so SLY syndrome, you should know that it's also known as a Mucopolysaccharidosis type 7. Okay, so it's a rare lysosomal storage disorder caused by deficiency of an enzyme which is known as a beta-glucuronidase. So of course, if the enzyme is not there, you know that there's a lot of issues if you want to actually break down the glycosaminoglycans, such as the dimethyl sulfate and the heparan sulfate. So this gene is a gene that is usually mutated. So the enzyme affected is a beta-glucuronidase. So it's autosomal recessive, and there's inability to break down glycosaminoglycans. So they will now accumulate in the cell, causing organ dysfunction. So clinical features is what? Onset is variable. Alright, mainly there's hydrops, fetalis in children. Okay, skeletal issues, facial issues, hepatosplenomegaly, corneal clouding, hearing loss, cardiac valve disease, developmental delays, or intellectual disabilities. So you diagnose it from clinical suspicion, lab tests where you get to now measure the enzyme to see if the enzyme is still adequate, genetic testings, and also urine tests. So management, there's no definitive cure, but supportive like orthopedic interventions, cardiac monitoring, vision and hearing support, and the rest of it.